Synthetic rubber conformal coatings have better mechanical properties and withstand higher temperatures than other materials. They are extremely flexible, offer superior moisture protection, and help minimize the growth of tin whiskers in electronics. However, because these conformal coatings are solvent-based, they may raise environmental health and safety concerns. Among their advantages, synthetic rubber conformal coatings adhere to a variety of substrates and have high elongation. Applications for these products include fine pitch technologies. So where can you find the synthetic rubber conformal coatings you need? Visit gluespec.com. Then under product categories, choose PCB protection, conformal coatings, then synthetic rubber conformal coatings. You'll find that GlueSpec has the products you've been looking for. There's even an advanced search with key specifications and much more. Create a free account and log in to get started.